Most people jump into the box truck business dreaming of $10,000 plus months, scrolling TikTok and YouTube seeing flashing numbers, but nobody tells them about the real setup cost, the hidden bills, and the mistakes that break beginners early. Today, you'll learn startup costs, actual profit, and the mistakes you must avoid. Box truck business is one of the fastest growing segments in the U.S. transportation market. And the reason is simple: everything we buy, from furniture to fresh groceries, needs to move. When large trailers can't reach certain streets or small quantity shipments don't require a semi, box trucks fill the gap perfectly. They're flexible, easier to operate, and many models don't even require a CDL, which makes entry easier for new entrepreneurs. The demand is rising because e-commerce, local delivery, and regional freight continue to scale monthly, creating space for new carriers, owner-operators, and small dispatching companies. Now, before you buy your first truck, let's get one thing straight: not every box truck works for every type of load. The most common sizes are 16 feet, 22 feet, and 26 feet. A 16 feet box truck is lightweight, easy to maneuver in cities, cheaper in fuel, but it limits the weight and size of freight you can pick. Perfect for beginners, but not always the highest earning. A 22 feet truck offers more cargo space, more versatility, and more load options, a solid middle ground for new carriers. The 26 feet box truck is the moneymaker for many operators. You can haul bigger loads, secure better paying freight, and access more lanes. The only catch: it costs more in fuel, maintenance, and insurance. Some trucks require CDL. Some don't, depending on weight rating. Choose what fits your budget and long-term plan, not just what looks big. Let's talk money, because this is where most people get shocked. Imagine you're buying your first truck. You find a 26 FT box truck for sale at a decent price. You negotiate the seller, sign the papers, and boom, you think you're ready to make money, but you're not even close. Here are the real startup costs most beginners don't calculate. Expense estimated range: box truck purchase used $30,000, $60. 0 lease option $1,000 to $100, $2,500. Month insurance $1,000, $2,500 month depending on experience. Guild plus -cam $300, $1. 0 setup plus subscription * permits and registration $1,000, $3,000 maintenance prep $2,000, $5,000 reserve * dispatching if outsourced 5% to 12% of load revenue * you need MC authority, BOC3 filing, and AUCR registration. Factor load boards into the equation. Truck stop, Amazon relay, depending on your niche *. And here's something new truck owners learn the hard way: breakdowns don't ask permission. Even a minor repair like brakes or alternator can cost hundreds, while major engine or transmission work can touch thousands. Startup is not just buying a truck, it's building a business, and if you're not financially prepared, the road will teach you faster than any video ever could. Once you're running loads every week, the real test begins: managing running cost. On average, a box truck consumes heavy fuel, especially 26 FT units. Your monthly expense may look like this: fuel, $3,000, $6,000 depending on miles, maintenance, $300, $1,000 monthly average, insurance, $1,000 to $500 factoring fees, 1.5% to 3% parking plus tolls, $200, $600 load board subscriptions, $100, $300. A new operator can burn money fast if they select per routes, accept cheap loads, or run dead miles. The key to surviving the first months is controlling expenses while maximizing loaded miles. Remember, profit doesn't come from driving, it comes from hauling paid freight. The more empty distance you drive, the more your revenue leaks silently. Now, the question everyone wants answered: how much money can I actually make? Let's break it down realistically, not motivationally. Scenario 1, beginner owner operator average revenue $4,000, $6. 0 week expenses, fuel plus insurance plus maintenance plus factoring expected net $1,500, $3,000 week if managed well this means around $6,000, $12,000 month take home, depending on lanes, dispatching, repairs, and load availability. Scenario 2, experienced operator with shippers *. This is where things get interesting. Direct Shippers equals higher rates asterisk fewer middlemen equals more money in your pocket asterisk steady contracts equals predictable income asterisk revenue can go up to $7,000, $10,000 week and net income can reach $3,000, $5,000 week. That's how operators scale fleets, hire drivers, and go from one truck to many. Asterisk but remember, these numbers require experience, negotiation, networking, route planning, and discipline. Trucking pays well but only when run like a real business, not a gamble. Asterisk here's where smart owners win and beginners lose. Asterisk 1. Build direct shipper relationships. Asterisk brokers are useful, but direct freight makes real money. Asterisk 2. Reduce dead miles. Asterisk never move empty unless it leads you to a high-paying load. Asterisk 3. Track expenses daily. Asterisk profit is not earnings, it's what remains after costs. Asterisk 4. Use preventive maintenance. Asterisk $8 to $100. Routine fix can save you from a $5,000 breakdown. Asterisk 5. Learn negotiation. Asterisk a load is never final until you say yes. Ask for more. Asterisk use tools like business cards, cold emailing, and walk-ins to connect with shippers in warehouses and distribution centers. Every contract you secure boosts weekly profit, reduces downtime, and builds long-term stability. Asterisk many new owners make the same mistakes again and again, and these mistakes destroy businesses faster than low-paying loads. Asterisk buying a truck before researching the market. Asterisk just because it's available doesn't mean it's profitable in your region. Asterisk depending only on load boards. Asterisk you'll get freight, but not always the best rates. Asterisk accepting cheap loads to stay busy. Asterisk movement doesn't equal profit. Sometimes parking saves more money. Asterisk ignoring maintenance. Asterisk small issues become big problems, and big problems kill cash flow. Asterisk no business structure. Asterisk without LLC, accounting, tax planning, and records, scaling becomes impossible. Asterisk the painful truth. Many people enter trucking excited but exit exhausted. They love driving but forget they're running a business first, a truck second. Asterisk smart planning and discipline separate successful carriers from those who quit within months. Asterisk this business is perfect for people who think long-term, handle pressure, and treat trucking like a business, not a lottery ticket. If you're an owner-operator wanting to be independent or an employee tired of fixed salary life, this path can open doors if you're willing to learn dispatching, negotiate loads, build shipper relationships, and manage expenses wisely. Box truck business can change your income, asterisk, but it requires patience, planning, and responsibility. If you love routine and comfort, it may not be for you, but if you love growth, movement, and high reward, this industry fits. Asterisk now you know the real startup cost, the profit potential, and the mistakes beginners must avoid if you want a full step-by-step guide on how to start, register, find loads, and dispatch your box truck. Comment box truck guide below. You may be one video away from starting right, asterisk.